Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill, DaDiva. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Luvme Hair. So I'm thinking it's going to be a glueless wig in here because those are the kind of wigs I've been reviewing from Luvme Hair. I'm not sure what the hair is yet. I have no idea, so we are going to reveal it together. Okay, first I'm going to show you guys what I got in the box with the wig. I got this wig cap right here. It's an HD wig cap. I've been getting them with my wigs lately. I also got an edge brush, and I just realized that the edge brush has their name on it. I did not notice that on the last one. I also got this elastic band that I could use on my edges just in case I was gluing it down. Not because it's glueless doesn't mean you can glue it down if you want to, but you know, you have a choice and you can wear it without gluing it down. It looks just as good. I also got a tail comb from them, and this also has their name on it. Throw everything back in the box so we could get to the wig itself, and I have it sitting right over here. I kind of had a feeling it was gonna be the bang wig, but I did not want to say that just in case it wasn't. So this one is a bang wig. It's also a shortcut, as you can see here. So obviously I'm really not gonna be doing too much with this wig. I think the most I'm gonna be doing with this is straighten it, which is so easy. I really don't see any work to do with it. I don't have to cut nothing off. I don't have to add any foundation on anything. I probably don't even have to add foundation on the stocking cap that I'm wearing. So this is gonna be pretty easy to put on, and depending on how easy it is to put on, I think I may wear this on my trip to California that's coming up soon. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on to see what it looks like before doing anything at all to it. Let me just show y'all what the wig looked like, because I was so excited I forgot to do that. So we have two clips in the sides right here, as you can see, and we have one in the back right here, and then we have this adjustable strap on it. And this is what makes everything work, this adjustable strap right here. I don't know about y'all, but I love me a bang wig. I was thinking I might have to cut the bangs, but it looks fine. The length is fine. I don't have to do that. But I'm definitely gonna have to flat iron it because I want it to look even better. I feel like this wig is a little bit too big for my little head. But we'll see. We'll see how this looks when I flat iron it. I am loving the shape of it already. I'm all done straightening the hair, as you can see. So yeah, let's go do makeup and come back, okay? Y'all, I'm back with my makeup done, and I changed my outfit into something white, you know, so we could see the hair much better. And I gotta say, I actually really like it. I do. And I got a call, FaceTime call. And you know, my boo, he just make me feel even better about it. He love it on me. I guess it's good to go. Yeah, I actually really like it more now that I, you know, changed my shirt where we could actually really see the hair, and you know, put my makeup on, a little bit of makeup. Let's give it up for the hair. I think it looks really good, and I absolutely love it. Again, this wig is from Luvme Hair, and I will leave all the information for it down below so you could easily find it. And if you use my discount code, which I will leave on the screen, you can get a discount when you purchase this hair or any hair that they have on their website. So definitely make sure you use that discount code to get your discount, okay? Because we love a discount. As usual, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.